Hello, my name is Lucas da Silva. I am a professor at the University of Porto. In this course, we are going to discuss adhesive bonding, especially for aeronautical and aerospace industry. This course is very useful at the master level. We are going to cover all the steps involved in the manufacture, as well as joint design and durability. We have 12 modules, 12 videos in total, plus a video at the beginning where I explain the contents and I recommend the bibliography. Let's start then with the adhesive bonding in aeronautical applications. I want to see with you in this module the contents and the bibliography. I also have here a link which gives you the site of the group that I lead related to advanced joining processes and, of course, adhesive bonding. You have a lot of information in this site, and you can click in this link that will give you a PDF that presents the group. But let's go back to the slides, and let's go to the contents. So we will go through all these points. They are described in a schematic way in the following slides. The first thing we are to see after giving an introduction, a general introduction to the subject, is theory of adhesion. We want to understand in which conditions we have a good adhesion between the adhesive and the substrate. You need to create special conditions, and there are various theories of adhesion for this. Once you understand in which condition should be the surface to create a good bond with the adhesive, then you know which surface treatment you should apply to the substrate or to the adherent. You have here an image of the oxide that is created in the case of an aluminum alloy. After that, we will describe the main families, especially those used in aeronautical applications, epoxies, phenolics, and aromatic adhesives such as bismaleimide. After we select the adhesive, we need to characterize it, we need to determine the mechanical properties so that later we can design a joint. So we need to know what is the modulus, what is the strength, what is the ductility, what is the fracture energy. We will talk about that. Then comes the manufacture with all these steps. These steps actually is treated before because this is the number one step in manufacture, and we decide to dedicate one module specially to the surface preparation, adhesive mixing, adhesive application, assembly, control and hardening. Once the joint is manufactured, it's important to apply a quality control. Often the joints have defects, and the objective is to detect these defects without destroying the structure, and we will see that there are various methods for that. Adhesive bonding is a chemical type of joining in opposition to a mechanical joining like a bolt. So you have chemicals involved, and every time you have chemicals you should be extra careful in terms of health and safety. So we will give you some recommendations concerning this. Then we are in a position to do some calculations and to predict what will be the failure load. That's joint design. You will see there are various analytical methods and also finite element methods to do this task. Durability is at the moment the hottest topic in this technology. We know how to design for tomorrow, but to design in 10 years or 20 years, taking into account the environment, the loading type, water, temperature, fatigue, this is a big challenge, and we will also discuss this point at the end. Finally, if you want to know a bit more, I recommend this book. This is a recent book that we just wrote. It's very basic, but it's focused on applications related to aeronautical and aerospace applications. So that's for module 0. We didn't really talk about anything yet. We just described the contents. Now it's time to move to the first part of the course, which is the introduction.